News Avenue igama uSizwe Plus njengoba wazi ukuthi sihambela yonke indawo la esithola khona ama-leader ukuthi azosicacisela ngey'nto ey'thize. In fact, we are keeping them on check. If we understand kangcono i-shares sizoku-understand, we are keeping all of them on check. Sesikhulume nabantu abaningi-ke senza isiqiniseko sokuthi wena njengomuntu owumhlali uclear ngokuthi kwenzakalani edolobheni lakho or endaweni yangakini, because lokho kubalulekile. Namhlanje senze okufanayo ukuthi sihambele eMhlathuze, kodwa-ke simcelile uBeya ukuthi asivisithe ngala emahhovisini ethu sizoxoxa ngezinye izinto ey'thinta isimo saseMhlathuze. Sathola uMeya uXolani Ngwezi. Angibingelele Mr. Ngwezi.
Ngiyakubingelela mfowethu Plus nabalandeli bonke News Avenue.
Engingakwazi nje ukuthi abakangwezi abakabani ngiqala
Omashimane.
ngaqala ngaso lesibongo kuwena.
Yeah.
Omashimane.
Kunjalo.
Awu naso at least senginolwazi lokuthi yazi Mr. Ngwezi abantu bayazi kakhulu ngomhlathuze. Uwena owengamele umhlathuze. Ziningi izinto ezenzeka eMhlathuze abantu abangathanda ukuzazi. Kodwa nje ngiqale ngokuthi ngizwelane nani esimweni esike sanivelela sokudlula kwekhansela, I think uDeputy Mayor we-DA ngizwile ukuthi senemfihlile.
No, kuleqiniso ukuthi uDeputy Mayor akasekho emhlabeni. Amalungiselelo ukuthi afihlwe angomhla ka-30 kuMeyi. Lona nje wesonto elizayo.
Yazi ngifuna ukwazi nje sekuyona le ka-Deputy Mayor we-DA odlulile because umkhandlu wakho Mr. Ngwezi uyi-coalition ukuthi niphethe ngokubambisana.
Kunjalo.
Ngitshele njengoba edlulile uDeputy Mayor awuzukuphazamiseka ukuraneka komkhandlu.
Angikholwa ukuthi sizophazamiseka ukuqhubeka nokuphatha umkhandlu ukuze siqhubekele nokuthi sidlulisele kubantu bakithi idingo nqanga. Noma imuphi ke umuntu ongahahela ipower, angiboni ukuthi ungafanele ayihahele manje kulezi inyanga ezisele eziyisihlanu. Ungafanele alinde nje uNovember siyokhethweni bese ke siqala kabusha ke kubonakala ukuthi emva kokhetho kwenzakalani. Kodwa nje ngingakusho ukuthi umkhandlu waseMhlathuze kuyo yonke imikhandlu eNingizimu Afrika yonke ephethwe ngecoalition iwona ophatheke ngendlela enesizotha nangendlela le edingwa abantu. Akuyikho lento le ye-instability ekhona esiyibona kwabanye omasipala eNingizimu Afrika. Lokho kudalwa ukuthi ke on many things as a coalition siyaxhumana ngazo kakhulu uma kufanele kuthathwe ama-decisions noma kufanele kulungiswe izinto ey'thize emkhandlweni. So ke ngakusho ukuthi neminye imikhandlo ingeze izo-benchmark lapha eMhlathuze. We are the most stable coalition government eMhlathuze. Yes.
No, ngikuzwa kahle Mayor, but izinto ey'kanje bezenzeka kuyavamisa ukuthi kuzoba nama-by-elections and all of that stuff. Kodwa ngiyakuzwa bengilalela inkulumo yakho ukuthi ngathi ngeke ibe khona into enjalo.
Well, ngokululekwa i-office likaSomlomo, it looks like there will be no by-election. Ngenxa yokuthi ukhetho selula eduzane and the date has already been announced. Kodwa ke we can consult more on the IEC. Yeah, so what is going to happen ukuthi i-Democratic Alliance kuzofanele ukuthi deploy umuntu wayo ozoserva kwi-EXCO and then we can take it from there if they still have interest. Ethini baqoke uDeputy Mayor from their side. The IFP is still or rather the coalition and the IFP is still having a coalition at DA. We will honor that and appoint whoever would have been appointed as the Deputy Mayor.
Sakhuluma naye uXolani Ngwezi oyimeya laphana eMhlathuze, and into engibuye ngizwe ngomhlathuze kuthiwa i-economic hub, and ngizwile futhi ukuthi nisanda kwenza i-mall laphana ebizwa ngoPrince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, and ngiyezwa futhi ukuthi ngathi nibhizi nendaba ye-airport ezosondela ngalako N2. Ongithatha ungibeke Mr. Ngwezi ngalawo ma-developments enzeka kumkhandlu wakho.
Kunjalo mfowethu Plus, last year ngakhuluma nabahlali baseMhlathuze ukuthi we are attracting an investor ezo-investor imali yayo close to R1 billion ngokuthi kwakhiwe i-regional shopping mall. Izothatha unyaka owodwa, and indeed i-construction yaleya shopping mall ithatha unyaka owodwa iney'tolo ezo-107. It is named after the great His Royal Highness uMntwana kaPhindangene. And we really thank abanikazi bale mall for respecting umntwana ngoba abanye abantu bafuna uku-isolate umntwana from i-service to the nation. Umntwana wazalwa to serve the people as inkosi yesizwe. He served 3 Zulu kings until isilo lese esikhona. He served isilo uMsizulu kaZwelithini. He served isilo uZwelithini. He served isilo uBheka uZulu ozala isilo uGoodwill Zwelithini. So ngizama ukuthi ke umntwana is not only a political leader. He has served the Zulu nation. He has served South Africa, by the way. He was a Minister of Home Affairs for 10 years. Wakhuluma ngaleyo mnyaka ukuthi sizoba nenkinga if we don't sort out indaba ye-immigration laws in the country. Namhlanje everybody usenkingeni. Ngaleso sikhathi one of the political parties, the ANC, said no, umntwana uhlushwa ukuba xenophobic. In fact, was removed as a minister. Emva kwalokho azange afakwe eqhubeka ukuthi aqhubeke njengominister because he was fighting ukuthi kube khona i-change endabeni yama-immigration laws. Today we are facing a problem. So umntwana served in South Africa as the acting deputy president of the country 25 times. Every time Dr. Mandela, the late, may his soul rest in peace, and Thabo Mbeki bengekho bebejwayela ukuqoka umntwana babayeke bonke lababanye baqoka umntwana ukuthi kube uyena ozoba upresident wezwe mabengekho bona. So yeah, we really are happy, but also it is true ukuthi airport siyayimova from where it is at Bedford ihleli kumhlaba o-70 hectares njengamanje, and la isiyisa khona sidinga 400 hectares ukuze sakhele airport esoyakha khona. Sakhelene-ke thina namazwe amabili njengomhlathuza kwizwe laseMozambique neSwaziland oMpumalanga. So sifisa ukuthi ungathi ingabuye ibe yi-cargo airport ikwazi ukuthi izinto ey'thize ezidingeka eduzane zikwazi ukuhamba through indawo yasemhlathuza, not only ukuthi sibe i-tourism destination siseduze neSimangaliso Wetland Park, Mfolozi, Hluhluwe Game Reserve, and many other strategic tourist destinations in the area. Already thina njengomhlathuza we are a port city and an industrial city. We host quite a lot of industries, so people will want to be in and out of indawo yethu.
So ama-drugs abuya angene lapha.
Ngicela uphinde.
Ama-drugs abuya angene lapha njengoba ninechweba. Ngiyake ngizwe kuthiwa ama-drugs isikhathi esiningi kuyaye kusetshenziswa ichweba nje ukuthi angene.
Well, angeke ngize ngikwazi ukusho lokho, mhlawumbe amaphoyisa angaphendula kangcono, kodwa ke angaze ngizwe ngikhona ofisini nje just now ukuthi echwebeni lethu kukhona izinto ezibanjeke khona mhlawumbe ezidakamiswa, kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi i-SAPS i-deployile lapha echwebeni lethu lase-Richards Bay. So if there were things like that, of course I think would have had incident la khona mhlawumbe kukhona abantu ababoshwayo. Angisho ukuthi akwenzeki, but I don't have information ukuthi kuyenzeka noma kwenzeka.
Ngichaza ukuthi umchaze kanjalo umntwana kaPhindangene shothi nje we can safely say he saved i-country with distinction.
Kunjalo.
But isichuse lesi ngathi sakhe ngathi kuyayikhalwa ngathi kunenkingana ethize kubangelwa yini singa-attend?
Well, I don't know ngoba isichuse sihambile sasibuka cishe nabantu abaningi. That was never raised ukuthi ayikodwa ke ngathi kunama issues. And I don't know ukuthi sibuka kanjani, but ke i-artwork we can argue ngayo ngoba khona abanga-complain ngaso, khona abacomplainayo ngaso. So I think we must
focus on the majority.
We must focus on what the majority says, you know. Yeah.
Ngicabanga ukuthi siphinde futhi sibheke indaba yama-truck. Kuthiwa laphana ko-Richards Bay nemigwaqo emihle kodwa kugcine phazanyiswa ama-truck ukuhamba kwawo. Zikhona iy'nhlelo ey'thize enizoza nazo ukuthi leso simo si-address-e, because ngiyangimagina Mr. Mayor uzofika uwakhe umgwaqo uphinde futhi uguvuzeke futhi ngenxa yendaba yama-truck. And mhlawumbe kuyona udaba lama-truck Mr. Ngwezi indaba yelokhuzana yokuma kwawo-ke manje laphana kushaya kujenga olude nithini ngayo?
Okay. Firstly, kufanele ngisho ukuthi i-Port of Richards Bay ngesikhathi yakhiwa ayizange yakhiwe noma i-design ukuthi izo-receive ama-goods in and out ngokusebenzisa i-road network. Yakhelwe ukuthi izo-receive ama-goods in and out of the country through i-railway network. So uma ke kwane-problem kojantshi bethu la kuhamba khona iy'timela, you will have that problem oyikhuluma ngayo ama-trucks ngoba abantu basuke bezoyeka ukumuva ama-goods using i-railway. Basuke bezosebenzisa ini option B, which is trucks.
Yeah.
And the unfortunate part is angeke sikwazi njengomkhandlu waseMhlathuze ukuthi sithi ama-truck asawafuna e-Richards Bay. We can only try ukuthi si-regulate because phela eza nomnotho noma landa umnotho out-distribute in the whole of South Africa and Africa. And actually, the Port of Richards Bay is the deepest port in Africa. All African countries, majority of them, prefer move ama-goods out through Richards Bay because it is the deepest port of Africa. And in the future, a port is cooler times 2 of what it is now. We've already approved port expansion, master plans are corner. And that will create more jobs in the future. In the next 20, 30 years, you will see the difference in the city. But what we are doing now, we are busy constructing a truck stop. Mawuhamba ngo-John Ross uyongena e-Richards Bay, khona i-truck stop esiyi-constructor lapho, although i-movement is kind of slow, but we're getting closer. Ukuthi senze sure ukuthi bayayiqeda izokwazi ukuthi igcine yona ama-trucks awu-350. So ama-trucks amaningi esuke siwabona emgwaqeni ngeke sikwazi ukuwabona, and kuzoba ne-control ekahle yokungena e-port ukuze kukwazi ukuhambeka ngoba kubalulekile ukuthi abantu bethu babe safe emgwaqeni, abahlali kodwa futhi nomnotho ngeke sikwazi ukuthi sithi we don't need this economy that comes with this influx of trucks. Anything good isuke inayo into eyi-disadvantage. So far that is what we are doing to address the issue of trucks by constructing a truck stop. I-truck stop yakhiwe emhlabeni kamasipala. We just disposed i-land kulaba abantu abayamakhosi truck stop ukuze bakwazi ukuyisebenzisa for the next 35 years. And I said for the next 35 years already, makuphela le lease yalaba bantu, we'll already have a solution because i-port in a master plan ukuthi in the future i-expand.
Izenzeka izinto lapha eMhlathuze. Ubokade ungaboni ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa eMhlathuze kuzovalelwa izivele from the horse's mouth. La uMr Kwesi uyayichaza lento and uyibeka kamnandi iyazwakala futhi. Ngagcina kuphi nendaba yokuthi libe nifane nethi libe imetro. Ngangezwa indaba enjalo akazi ukuthi azagcina kuphi because ngisiliphathe ukuthi ngibe nawe la ake ngiyibuze leyo question. Sidlula ngendlela nje kuyona.
Yeah, I think ngangiyikhansela ngo-2015 or so. Yaba khona into eyayi-advocate ukuthi cishe uMhlathuze noma yonke imikhandlu yaseKhengcetshwayo kungafanele ukuthi yonke ithi close shops and create a metro. Kodwa kunama requirements, kunemigomo nemibandela okufanele indawo leyo ehlonzwe njengemetro okufanele ukuthi izame ukuyimitha. And ngaleso sikhathi masibuka sabona ukuthi okay isifiso nje njenge-council isifiso esingenzeka kodwa ngeke uthathe umuntu osenkandla, for instance enkandla ebiza imali uthi loyo muntu umjoyina nomuntu oseMhlathuze e-Richards Bay. So at that time really kwakungeke kwenzeke kodwa nginayo into ethi in the future we will create what we can call a coastal metro. Ngoba if ubuka abantu basemthunzini abantu basemthunzini abathengi eshore kodwa bangaphansi komlalazi. I-economic activity yabo is around emthunzini and Richards Bay. Amubuka abantu bakwaMthetho, the whole of Umfolozi municipality, all of them when they've got money they spend imali yabo eMhlathuze, majority of them. So that is something that can be feasible.
Senazo indawo zobumnandi.
Of course, Richards Bay is a place to be. We're not as big as Durban, though. Ngeke sisheshe sifane neTheku. Kodwa I can tell you ukuthi with all the projects that are coming in that area, that area is going to compete with Durban in the future. And already, Umsondozi sesudlulile, Maritzburg, it was number 2 in terms of the economic size. Now it's us who are number 2, about number 3. So we are the fastest growing economy and city, not only here in South Africa, but in the whole of Africa. If you look at the investments coming, just in the ITZ alone, 246 billion rand worth of investment in the pipeline. And with many other investments happening, we are an energy hub. President of the country has already declared us that we are an energy hub, because out of this 246 billion rand, a bigger portion of that is coming with renewable energy. So udaba lokuthi South Africa through Eskom has powered the country for 101 years. Beluxoxa kwamanye ama-provinces. But now udaba lokuthi South Africa neKwaZulu Natal nomhlathuze, udaba lwe-energy seluxoxwa kakhulu KwaZulu Natal eMhlathuze. And the Premier of KwaZulu Natal, Honorable Ntuli, was actually with us when we actually launched that day that we are an energy hub. And we are an economic hub anyway, the biggest one, north of Tugela River.
No, uyazwakala uyayibeka uMr Ngwezi oyimeya laphana eMhlathuze, sahleli naye njengamanje. Ungakhohlwa ukusilandela ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, wenze sure ukuthi utshela nabangani bakho, wenze isiqiniseko sokuthi bonento ofuna ukuthi i-reach abantu, uyi-advertiser, ikhona i-News Avenue, you can utilize it, usithinte nje emahhovisi sibe sesiyakwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi discussa indaba yama-advert, because ama-advert, truth be told, iwona asenza lathi si-survive. Mr Mayor, into engibeke ngifuna ukuyiraise futhi ukuthi niyabhalansisa, niyabopha nine-university, ninaney'nkampani ey'nkulu lapha no-RBM, iphelele kodwa uMhlathuze, ngoba kuthiwa ninejele, niqala kabusha. Liphinde libe ne-university lapha, University of Zululand, esikhiqize inqwaba yabantu. And umntwana waphinda angene obeyimholi we-IFP, bephinde abe uchancellor lapha. Ngiyakhumbula nami ngathiwe so yini lento ekushaya ekhaya.
Yes.
Uyena owayengishaya ekhaya.
Yeah.
But-ke
ingakho nje manje.
Bathi besibheka Mr Ngwezi, khona izinto esingeke sikwazi ukuyibalekela besikhuluma nawe, especially as umeya. Kube nale crisis yamanzi. Ngiya-understand ukuthi face i-country yonke, kodwa-ke sizoyithatha si-confine laphana eMhlathuze. Kuyakhalwa abantu base-Sikawini, for instance, khala ngendaba zamanzi. Ithini inhlelo zokuthi nidile nesimo esikanjalo?
Okay. Lapha endaweni yaseSikhaweni, amanzi wonke abawaphuzayo noma abawasebenzisayo aqhamuka eLake Cuphu. Lake Cuphu.
Oh, okay.
So iLake Cuphu ikhona lapha kwaDube around eSikhaweni. Kuleya ndawo si-produce amanzi noma i-infrastructure sinayo, si-produce amanzi awu 36 megaliters every day, which means that is 36 million liters a day. But the demand, mawubuka umphakathi wakwaDube, esikhaleni elokishini, kwaMkhwanazi, Felixton, uze uyofika evula indlela ko-University of Zululand. And over the years, demand has grown to become, as at 2021, 2022, demand has grown to become 60 megaliters of water per day. Now we can only provide 36. So what we then did ukuthi senze sure ukuthi si-add i-capacity yamanzi esikwazi ukuwa-produce. Ikhona i-project esiyenzayo esiyibiza ngo-15 megaliter package plant, which means ngayo sifuna uku-add 36 plus 15, which is about 51 million liters a day. Then isimo ke sizothi kuba ngcono, kodwa still uzobusalela abantu abangaki, uzobusalela amalitha amanzi ushoda ngawo 9. As at istart sango-21, 22. And remember, njengoba sethi umnotho wethu uyakhula, abantu are flocking from different places beza la. So you will find that mawungahamba uyokwenza manje start, ngoba amakhosi ayaqhubeka ayabeka ney'nduna ziyaqhubeka zibeka abantu. You will find that is no longer 60 megaliters, maybe 70 megaliters. I'm just making an example. So ngisho ukuthi le mpi sizoyilwa kodwa kuyoba lukhuni ukuthi siyiwine, because in many of the different areas you will know ukuthi abantu baningi kunemali esinayo. Just look now, the president of the country has given to municipalities, or rather to government, 156 billion rand ukuthi ayobhekana nendaba yengqalasizinda ikakhulukazi yamanzi. But he takes 154 billion rand and give it to metros. And then he takes 2 billion rand and say yona ke kuzoba omasipala laba bama water service authorities, your district, uThukela, uMzinyathi, King Cetshwayo, uMhlathuze, uMkhanyakude, and so uthi sherani 2 billion rand. That project esiyenzayo alone, lay package plant, isidinga thina about 200 million rand ukuze sikwazi kuyenza siyiqede. Now all I'm saying is imali esinayo incane, and sizenzela thina internally ngemali esiyiqoqa emabhizinisini nakubahlali. Is not funded by Department of Water and Sanitation. So that's the challenge we're facing. But njengamanje, AG raised some issues whilst implemented a project, and we had to stop the project and deal with issues of consequence management. Sadlula lapho sesimu-appoint service provider next week, ubuyela on site to finalize whatever is left. And isimo samanzi, I can tell you, in the next 4 months, so zamuxazulule. On the far northern side of the area, kunamawadi amathathu esawa inheritance kanti kuhlakaza kumasipala wathi Intambanana. Literally i-infrastructure ekhona lapha engaprovide amanzi incane kakhulu. But we are doing something, providing that with water tankers. It's not privately hired water tankers. Are in Sosewa. Ngoba ngiyezwa kuyakhalwa koThekwini thina we don't have what Durban has.
No, we
stopped that in 2021 when I was elected as the mayor.
But
yes, and that is why probably many of the parties were voted to remove those that were there, because we don't have the same strategy to deliver services. We believe thina njenge leadership ekhona ukuthi asicapacitate umasipala ube nama resources enele ukuze ukwazi ukudeliver ama services. Asithandi kakhulu lokho oku-outsourcewayo, because kuyingozana lokho nakho. So ngizama ukusho there is a lot that we have done. Sinayi business plan yalawo mawadi ephasisiwe u-Department of Water and Sanitation to the tune of 595 million ukuze siconnecte kwingqalasizinda yethu imizi ewu-29,500 kuleyo area engikhuluma ngayo yaseNtambanana. So we are going to win. Unfortunately, 5 years is too little to deal with umonakalo owenzeke in 15 years. I'm not saying abantu noma ngiyatetema ngalokho, but I'm just being practical ukuthi ngeke ukwazi ukulungisa umonakalo ka-15 years in 5 years, maybe in 10 years. But in these 5 years there are things esingahamba sikukhombisa ukuthi during these 5 years izinto ezithatha abantu 20 years to do, thina we're able to do them in 5 years. So if we're more than that, as this leadership will do wonders.
Yangena kancane ipolitiki lapha kuMsTinkwezi, but-ke ngowakho kulo baba fact so isuka injalo. But before mhlambe sivale Mr. ngifuna ukuchecka nje ama-elections aseyeza ngomhla ka ngo-November 4. Think umhlonishwa uHlabisa benomengameli baqoka lelo suku ukuthi kube yilona kuzovotwa ngalo. Khamba kanjani lapha kuMhlathuze? Do you think abantu bayasizwa isitori senu? Kwaphela i-reality ithi ngikhuluma nawe nje Xolani Ngwezi, uyimeya impela, but uyimeya esuka kwi-political party ebizwa nge-IFP. Ahamba kanjani amalungiselelo? Okay, uyabuya ubuyi?
Well, that I'm coming back or I'm not coming back, you know, mayors are deployed by parties.
Yeah, no, safe argument, safe argument, safe.
Okay, the first thing that the IFP must do is to win the numbers, is to have the numbers. Then the IFP will decide that Mayor Ngwezi is coming back or is not coming back. Kodwa the mood says the IFP is coming back. I can tell you that in the whole city,
coalition is
in the whole city of Mhlathuze, the IFP has 24,000 card-carrying members. And I can tell you, if there were elections tomorrow, we would not get less than 40,000 votes. Because
MK.
No, I've heard of the MK. We're not afraid.
He's not keeping you on check or sleepless nights.
No, not at all. If I can tell you, for instance, because I know ukuthi barely kakhulu kulama stories ka 2021. What happened 2024, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Even in 2024, of course they got more numbers than us. Kodwa thina njenge-IFP, we went to elections sinama members awu 18,000. We got 37,000 votes. So we are not a party that is dying. And remember, local elections are not like general elections, or rather provincial and national elections. So as I'm telling you, there's only one party that has a chance of governing the city of Mhlatuza alone, this time around, and it is the only IFP. The ANC, you have seen it, it's dying. The MK itself will not get this number of seats that they think they are going to get. And I just only think that probably they will divide the votes of the ANC. The ANC is 25 seats. So they will divide, they will share those votes alone. The rest will
So are you so far?
No. We're not afraid. We have worked for the people, by the way. Forget about very few people who wants to paint us to look bad. You know, alikho isoka ladla kahle imbangi ikhala. Ngisho siganile intombi ma isoka lake layithanda leyo ntombi ihlale liyibuka ivele iganile. So we will expect that, and we will expect izinto eziningi ezizokhulunywa ezibheda about umasipala. But that municipality, as we are having the assessment no National Treasury last week on the 14th, the leader in the National Treasury actually said this is the best municipality. Budget yenu si-assessile. Because ma basicompare no Cape Town, awukho umasipala esicompare nawo la KwaZulu-Natal. We are the best municipality erana kangconywana. In the midst of challenges, akusho ukuthi makuthiwa ni umasipala obest, kusho ukuthi aninazi inkinga. Sinazi inkinga ezidalwa yini, i-population growth, ukungabikho kwezimali. Remember ama-services emakhaya wakhokhela. And in many areas la kukhalwa khona ngokuthi ama-services awekho, kuseyindaweni zamakhosi. Because ukuze bona bathola ama-services, kufanele kuqale kukhokhe laba baseyindaweni esemakhaya. And lento eyenza ukuthi i-service ihambe kancane ukuya kuphi endaweni zamakhosi. Because i-revenue is small. Abanye abantu nje abazi ukuthi umkhandlu waseMhlathuza i-rate base yayo incane kuneyaseNewcastle. But thina ibudget yethu into eyisizayo ukuthi ibe nkulu. Amabhizinisi lawa khona, imboni, nazo zonke inkampani ezikhona ezisikhokhelayo, kanjalo nabantu abahlala emalokishini nasemadolobheni. So I'm trying to say kuningi esikwenzile and kuningi okuzayo. Just mawuwela nje usuke eMthunzini, lapha nje umozowelela ngasesikhaweni ebridge nasesikhaweni. Sinemall esizoyakha lapho 30,000 square meters worth 1.3 billion rand. We are pushing ukuthi iqale kuwo lo nyaka ngoba i-committee we-investment conference ebesinayo noPrima KwaZulu-Natal here in Durban. As you go along the waterfront, khona i-project esesikuyi procurement stage namhlanje yehotela elingalingana abantu abawu-200 ezokwakhiwa lapha ngase-waterfront ko-Premier Hotel 1.3 billion rand. Awukho komunye umasipala osa-receiver these kinds of developments ngaphesheya kothukela ngaphandle komkhandlu waseMhlathuza. And we are clear, we are focused, we are not destabilized by anything esikhulunywa amanye amaqembu.
Patria Flower, Mr. Ngweze, kithi mina awakulungeli ukuza kwi-province or ku-national.
No. I-provincial leadership, i-IFP, kanjalo ne-NEC, we have got leaders in different places. Okwamanje iqembu lingibeke lapha eMhlathuza ukuthi ngiserve abantu baseMhlathuza. And by the way, I was removed in parliament. I was redeployed from parliament to Mhlathuza, to the city of Mhlathuza.
Washawa inyoka kusinekeni lad.
No. I really think that serving as the mayor in the city of Mhlathuza makes me sleep well, because at least a day mangisize umuntu oyedwa kwenza ukuthi ngilale kahle, yabona. It's unlike ukuthi ngiyohlala kwi-provincial government and pass laws ezinto ezizoyo implement abanye abantu mina nga implement. At least eMhlathuza we are hands on about service delivery and addressing ama challenges abantu bakithi ababhekene nawo.
I for one ngase express about visa about be pressed. I think okushaka about parting shots, Mr. Ngweze. We'll be concluding remarks and then.
Okay, President of the country, Honorable Ramaphosa, and Minister Hlabisa of COGTA Sekubevumelene ukuthi elections will be on the 4th of November. 21 and 22 July. I mean June is voter registration, the first one. Nginxusa bonke abantu basemhlathuze as the mayor ukuthi baphume amabandla, the churches. Many people who are unregistered to vote. Majority of them basemasontweni. The young people, I'm urging them to go out and actually register ukuthi bavote. Bangagcini nje ngokukhuluma kakhulu ngohulumeni wasezulwini. Baze bakhohlelwa la emhlabeni uNkulunkulu awumeseli. Yabona abafundisi banesibopho sokuthi basikhulekele njengabaholi. Ngoba iBhayibheli lithi abowakhulekela amakhosi ezwe. Kodwa manje ngiba-challenge mina ukuthi ungazathi bangayihlela nababe ingxenye yezinto ezenziwa emhlabeni nokubakhulekela bebacela bengakafika ezikhundleni abaholi. Bangasikhulula mase sikhona. Basikhulekele ukuthi uNkulunkulu alethe i-leadership that is going to have an ear kubantu bakhe. Ngoba sometimes ama-politicians might these are our people to our people. Abanye bakhuluma in the context of ownership. Kanti these are God's people. Therefore, I'm challenging the church also to go out and register to vote and also pray that God gives them the right leadership on the 4th of November, 2026.
Selfemome.
Kunjalo.
Binjalo nje News Avenue ungakhohlwa ukusilandela emakhasini ezokuxhumana bese invite uXolani Ngwezi oyimeya lapha eMhlathuze. uMhlathuze ke indawo enhle leyana. Le indawo ezinhle futhi zokulala
Impela.
I know one day sizovisita futhi eMhlathuze siyoyibonela mathupha izinto ezenzeka kulowa masipala. Asivale Mr. Ngwezi.
Sibonga kakhulu.
Don't you dare to worry. If you do it, please take pictures.